How to change password on Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then click on the settings and privacy and settings. And when you come to these settings, you have to search the password, like I search for password, and this window appear here. This pop-up window appears here. You can see that you can change the password. So click on the security and login. Click on the security and login, and here you can see the you have to click on the change password login in the login tab, and you have to type the current password that you used, and you have to type the new password that you want to reset for the Facebook account, and you have to retype the new password and click the update password, and then your password is updated. And if you forget your password, then there is also option so in the bottom of the page you can see the forgot password. Click on the forgot password, and so when you click on, you come to this page, and here it says that when you click on the next, and then you have to click on the next, and uh, when you click on the next, the email is sent to your primary email address. uh, uh, code 6-digit code is sent to your primary email address, so that you have to type the code that is sent to your email. And when you type the code and then click next, and after that fill the you have to type the new password, and your password is reset. So that's basically it, that how you can how you can change the password to Facebook in 2021. If you love this type of tech tutorial, or found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a like and leave a comment that this video is helpful. Have a good day.